Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to change your oil on this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to remove the drain plug. I'm going to use a 15mm wrench. Loosen it up. Make sure you're loosening it to the left. You don't want to tighten it by accident and crack the pan. Pull the drain plug out, let it drain. Make sure you have something to catch the oil. Once our oil is drained out, we'll reinsert the drain plug. Keep in mind you want to check the gasket. Make sure it's not ripped or crushed too much. This gasket looks fine. We'll reinstall the drain plug. Take the 15mm wrench and just snug it up. You don't want to over tighten this, just snug. It's good. The oil filter is located right up here. It's right next to the catalytic converter. Sometimes it's kind of hot, so you want to make sure the engine's cool when you get this. When you take it off, you just take a strap wrench and loosen it up. And make sure your drain bucket's underneath. Some oil will come out. Take it out and drain it. We're going to take our new oil filter. We're just going to take a little bit of fresh oil. We're going to wipe it on the seal. That's going to lubricate the seal so it installs properly, and then it'll make it easier for next time when we go to remove it. You do want to double check and make sure the old gasket or seal is not on the engine, because you don't want to double gasket the oil filter, otherwise it will leak. And once the oil filter stops, then just tighten it down a little bit more. Try to go another half turn, quarter turn by hand. And that's good and tight. Just gonna take a rag and wipe the oil that drained. You can take a little brake parts cleaner and clean this off as well. That's good. Now we've lowered the vehicle. Now we're going to put oil in it. I'm going to use a funnel. Take the cap off, put the funnel right there. I'm going to add the appropriate oil. You want to check your owner's manual to see what kind of oil the vehicle requires. Now I'm going to remove the funnel. Install the fill cap. And now I'm going to start the vehicle for 15 seconds. Shut the vehicle off. I'm going to check the dipstick. Pull the dipstick out, take a rag, just wipe it off. Reinsert the dipstick. Pull it out again. I'm going to check the level. We want it in between those hash marks. So I'm going to add about a half a quart at this point. All right, so now I added a half a quart. Now I'm going to check the dipstick again. Remove the dipstick, wipe it off. Hold it for 2 seconds and pull it out. And it's right back up to where we need it to be, right in between those hash marks right there. So we're good to go. So as you can see on the dash, our oil life is at 34%. We can scroll with this to click on it, and then we're gonna select it. We're gonna hold it down, and then it's gonna go to 100%, and then we're all set. You can scroll back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.